Hello, my name is Yana and I'm from Kazakhstan. I'm the owner of the Zeekr Factory and ZKers, and I was luckily invited by Zeekr to the Global ZKers Day. So now we are in the Super Zeekr Factory and I will try to show you all the process which will be inside of this factory. The engineer just told me that each inch of movement of these robotical arms was firstly simulated. So before they touched the real car, they simulated in digital. That's why it's very safety and we're sure that everything will be on the right places. So standing here and watching how they work, it shows me what is the beauty of industry. It's a precision and power at the same time. So today we visited Zeekr Super Factory.
Yeah.
Please tell me your emotions and what is the most incredible thing you saw there?
Feel and see that the standard of the makers is quite high, so that gives me a lot of confidence in the product.
3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, my name is Ben. I'm from Australia and I'm the proud owner of the Zeekr 7X. Geely Safety Centre, apart from others, is all their facilities are in-house. They're the world's largest facility and the most advanced with their technology. We're about to see a live car crash take place. Let's see what's going to happen. Alright, so we've just seen a live crash test of a Zeekr 9X. That's a car that we all dream of and we had to watch it get crashed. How does that make you feel?
From the front, you see how it's all crumpled, and from the back, the way that it crumples, but it still keeps the occupant safe, like a capsule, basically.
Yeah.
And you can see the doors are still openable. It just makes you feel much safer, even more confident with the product.
Okay, so I have my hands in my pockets because the weather here feels very real. It's very, very cold. To me, this is the most impressive part of the Geely Safety Centre. This is where they have rigorous testing in over 30 different scenarios of the most extreme weather types. They put all their vehicles through this test and it's exclusive to Geely. So this doesn't happen to this extent anywhere else. And yeah, for me, this is where the magic happens.
Hello guys, let's all get in the car and enjoy the ride. Let's go.
Yeah, it was unusual because as soon as you put in the LCC and ACC, it just wants to overtake. And I thought I needed to put my hand on the steering wheel or something.
I think the weather is really good, the car is really good, and we are really good.
Okay. So either of you didn't drive so far? You're the passenger. Yeah, so the noise control is really good, right? You barely hear anything, right?
It is.
It's very enjoyable ride over here. Yeah.
This car is much better because materials better, stability better, buttons much better, right? 9X.
It feels good and safe, sturdy.
I just talked to the other passengers. Yeah. They all enjoy sitting on the second row seats.
Very calm. From the starting point until here, I felt very calm.
Yeah.
Going in the windy roads, you can have that, big view.
Yeah.
Seeing the corners.